Since its creation in 1973, Reliance Industries, India's largest private sector company, has faced largest legal cases which has shaped its corporate trajectory. These cases have ranged from allegations of corruption and antitrust violations to environmental concerns and dispute over natural resources allocations. One of the most significant legal battles faced by Reliance was 2G spectrum allocation scam that rocked India in 2010. The telecom minister at the time was accused of selling 2G licenses spectrum used for mobile telephony at undervalued prices. Reliance was one of the companies that obtained the license during the controversial auctions. The case resulted in cancellation of 122 telecom licenses and arrest of several high-profile individuals. Reliance was not charged with any wrongdoing, but the scandal thrashed the reputation and raised questions about the political connections. Reliance also accused of anti-cooperative practices by its competitors. In 2009, the Competition Commission of India investigated allegations against Reliance has abused its dominance in the petrochemical market. The CCI found that Reliance has engaged in predatory price and ordered to pay a fine of 880 crore 1.2 billions. Reliance challenged CCI order, arguing that it has not abused its market position. The case went all over to the Supreme Court of India, which upheld the ICC's finding. Reliance paid the fine but continues to maintain its innocence. Reliance has also faced legal challenges over environmental issues. In 2005, the company was accused of polluting the Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh by charging wastewater from refinery into the river. The case resulted in fine of $26 million, and Reliance has to clean up the river. In 2012, another environmental legal battle was controversial over KGD6 natural gas project. The company was accused of not following its commitments to explore and develop the gas reserves. The case is still ongoing and outcome would have significant implications for Indian energy security. Reliance has also been involved in disputes over allocation of natural resources. In 2012, the Supreme Court ruled that the Reliance was entitled to develop the RIB-21 oil block in the Krishna Goa basin. However, the government later changed the position and awarded a block to rival Custodian. Reliance challenged the government's decision and case is still pending before the Supreme Court. The outcome of this case could be major implications for the development of India's oil gas resources. The numerous legal battles faced by the Reliance have been a profound impact on company's operation and reputation. The corruption controversies have raised questions about the company's ethical standards and its relationship with the politicians. The antitrust allegations and the environmental concerns has highlighted that the challenges of the balancing corporate growth with the public interest and the natural resources despite of have exposed the complexities of the Indian regulatory framework for resource allocation. The legal battles have also calls for stronger corporate governance at the Reliance. The company has been criticized for its decision-making process and its lack for independent directors on its board. In 2017, the Securities and Exchange Board of India issued a show cause notice to Reliance, alleging that it has violated the corporate governance norm. The case is still ongoing and outcome could have a major implications for the company's governance practices. The legal battles of the Reliance Industries Limited has always been roller coaster ride of the controversy, setbacks, and the victories. These cases has been shaped the company's history and continue to test its reliance. And India's largest private sector company, Reliance, plays a vital role in country's economy. Its legal battles have highlighted the challenges of doing businesses in India, where the regulatory uncertainties and political interference can sometimes overshadow the commercial consideration, which is really bad. The outcome of the ongoing legal cases will have a significant impact on Reliance's future and on the business landscape in India as a whole.